you called,
Dmitry
Woody's very connected, as you know.
Gorin.
Okay.
He's a litigator, fine litigator. We thought, why don't we talk about this? Do a thing on eyewitnesses.
Right.
So he's here right now. Come on in,
Hi,
Dmitry.
Dmitry. Hi.
Dmitry, just thank you so much. I know it's the last minute, so I'll put you on the spot. Just a little bit of credentials.
Sure. So I'm a former LA Deputy District Attorney. I was a DA for 12 years. I'm a trial attorney. And I'm also an adjunct law professor out at Pepperdine.
Okay.
And presently I'm a criminal defense lawyer. I think misdemeanor manslaughter cases are rarely filed because it could happen to anyone. We don't have drugs, we don't have alcohol, we don't have running a stop sign at a high speed. This is just one traffic infraction where the police weren't even sure what the infraction was initially. So in my view, because of Ms. Jenner's status, this case is getting a lot more play from law enforcement in the DA's office than any of us would have received had we been in this situation. This is a former Olympian. She doesn't have any criminal record. It could have happened to anyone. So in fact, the DA could say, hey, pass. We can prove it, but we don't want to move forward on criminal filing.
This is Piers Morgan Tonight. Dmitry Gorin, a lot of play is going to be made, clearly, of Michael Jackson's mental and physical health at the time that this happened.
Dr. Murray knew he had a patient whose health was compromised, a patient who appeared to be addicted, that people close to the patient were telling Dr. Murray, look, you got to do something. And what did Dr. Murray do? Dr. Murray continued to administer propofol, texted his girlfriends, and then hid the fact that propofol was used by him from the responders, the 911 call responders. We're representing Kathy in the criminal investigation, which we believe is going to be closed, and we're going to fully cooperate with the Secret Service in their investigation. We don't even think it should have ever been opened. She basically exercised her First Amendment rights to tell a joke. And when you look at everything in the media, all the times entertainers make videos or express themselves in other ways, you've never seen an entertainer, let alone a comedian, be subject to a criminal investigation. It's really outrageous.
According to the complaint from the state attorney general, Garcia used his power to exploit minor girls, telling them and their parents that if they went against the apostle, they were acting against God. He is accused of making the girls touch each other sexually, having pictures taken, and forcible rape.
For violating custody orders and failing to return from vacation in Europe.
For us, for the defense team, the big result was she's not serving a day in jail on this case.
Two men have made their first court appearance in the murder of a UCLA student. One of the accused killers is a student himself at UCLA.
He's never been arrested in his life. This is a senseless crime. And for somebody who's going to school, who's working, who volunteers, it's really just hard to believe that a college student with no criminal record would commit this crime.